Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 4th February 2025. Political news: India questions global tax agreement post-US withdrawal following the United States exit from the 2021 Global Corporate Tax Agreement. India is reassessing the deal's effectiveness. The original accord, endorsed by 140 countries under the OECD's guidance, aimed to establish a 15% minimum corporate tax rate to prevent tax competition and curb multinational tax avoidance finance. Secretary Tuhin Kanta Pandey emphasized the need to re-evaluate the agreement's structure in light of the US withdrawal, especially considering the prominence of US-based tech giants. India's ongoing concerns include issues related to international arbitration and the resolution of withholding tax disputes. Delhi Assembly election campaigns conclude amidst accusations. Campaigning for the Delhi Assembly elections concluded today, with voting scheduled for February 5. The political landscape is marked by a three-way contest among the Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, the Congress, and the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. In a recent statement, BJP leader Amit Shah accused AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal of being involved in multiple scams, intensifying the political discourse as parties make their final appeals to voters. Sports news: India clinches T20 series against England with dominant victory. India secured a 4-1 series win over England in the T20 internationals, culminating in a commanding 150-run victory in the final match. Abhishek Sharma delivered a standout performance, scoring 135 runs off 54 balls, propelling India to a total of 247 runs, their fourth highest in T20I history. Head coach Gautam Gambhir highlighted the team's commitment to an aggressive, high-risk playing style, aiming for high scores while accepting potential setbacks. The focus now shifts to the upcoming three-match one-day international series against England, starting on 6 February. Champions Trophy ticket sales for India-Pakistan match commence. Cricket enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the Champions Trophy clash between India and Pakistan. Tickets for this high-profile match became available for purchase today, with fans showing significant interest. The tournament is set to begin on 20th February, with India facing Bangladesh in their opening game in Dubai. Travis Head honored with Allan Border Medal. Australian cricketer Travis Head has been awarded the prestigious Allan Border Medal, surpassing captain Pat Cummins-led's exceptional performances, particularly during the Border Gavaskar Trophy, were instrumental in securing this accolade. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.